Hello and welcome to Feature of the Day with BobCAD-CAM. Did you know that today BobCAD has a much better understanding of solid models than it ever did before? In other words, now you can pick directly from your solid and the system will understand if it's an open edge, starting position, and the depth. Not only will this help you program your part faster, but you can also make changes on the fly. For example, I'm going to change the type of packet here, recompute, and you can see the changes. As you can also backplot directly from your CAM tree. Now, this not only applies to profiles packets, but it also allows you to apply it for drilling operations. With the hole recognition feature, the system will know diameters, starting position, depth, counterbore diameter, and even the type of feature you're programming, allowing you to program in seconds with every operation you need directly under each feature. Thank you and have an amazing day.